Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to do a review. Today I'm going to do a review about the Clarks. Some Clarks boots that I bought at Little Burgundy. This model is called the Desert Peak Black Leather. It's like a Chelsea boots, okay, and black, like it says, and size 8. The style number is 11600037. Here. Okay, so I'm going to change perspective so you can see how they came in. Okay, let's get started then. So nothing special in here. It says Clark on the side. Okay, I have my receipt in the box. So these shoes cost me $90. They were on special. Usually I think they sell for $180. Yeah, and this is from Little Burgundy. Okay, so paper, and here's the first shoes. There you go. They're very shiny at the moment. Yeah, so as you can see, it has a crepe outsole, so it must be very comfortable to walk in with it. You have a tab here you can pull when you put them. Okay, so let's take the other one. There you go. So there's nothing else in the box. Okay, this is how they came in. So there's some paper inside. Let's take that out. Okay. They smell very good. Let me see what kind of leather is that. Doesn't say. It says leather, textile upper, balance man-made, so this means the outsole, and for the rest it's synthetic. Yeah, so size 8, they're made in Vietnam. I really like this, but these are more like casual. As you can see, they're like very high here at the ankle, and they're round also. Okay, this is my second pair of Chelsea boots from Clarks, but the other one, they're more like dressy boots, and they're also the ankle is lower and they are more sleek than these. Okay, and the outsole is not creep. I'm gonna show you guys to compare. The other pair I had them for maybe 5 years and they're still okay. So let me show you. So these are the boots. Like I said, I had them for almost 5 years and they're more dressier than the other one. As you can see, the top here, the tip of the boots is less rounder and more narrow. Also, the ankle is lower, as you can see, and the outsole is not a crepe one. This lasts me almost like 5 years. So let's compare side by side. See? These are way bigger, more casual than these. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna put them on my feet to see how they look. Okay, so let's change perspective, guys. Okay, so this is all the look from my point of view. Okay, so when I put them on, they're very hard to put because of the hole. It's very small at the ankle, so you really have to push a little bit more to put them on. But yeah, I don't think that's a lot of problem since they don't have laces, and when you walk in them, like it's very smooth, it's very soft because of the outsole, like it's a crepe one, so it's very nice. And what else I can say? Yeah, they look very nice. I think they're very casual, and you don't need to worry about them like going outside and walking in the snow or in the mud or something. Like I'm almost sure that you can clean them very well. Like I said, I had previously I had Chelsea boots from Clark's too, and they like last me for 5 years. So that's a very good investment when you think about price. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Okay, guys.